Namaskar, Jaipur. I am Dr.Amol, an interventional radiologist. In the fight against complex diseases, precision is everything. The ability to target a problem with pinpoint accuracy is what defines modern medicine. My training and experience as a consultant at foremost institute of India, Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai, taught me immense value of innovation. Procedures like TACE, TARE, ablations, or musculoskeletal embolizations are game changers in oncology or in pain management. These are not just treatments, these are lifelines. Here in Jaipur, through my work experience at Manipal and Rajasthan Hospital, I have seen the growing need of a dedicated center that can provide highly specialized treatments. That's why Dr. Sonalika and I have founded IR Clinic Jaipur. My focus is on tackling complex conditions like interventional oncology and peripheral vascular disease to management of dialysis access and male health issues like varicose. Our mission at IR Clinic is to bring new standard of specialized evidence-based medical care to India. We look forward to welcoming you to the new era of healthcare.